Okay, so here's a problem my wife was telling me about, that the glove compartment door on our car is not closing. If you notice, right here, this mechanism here is really loose. And you can see there's a lot of play in here. So I thought, well, let me inspect this. And so I come back here and what do you know? There's a screw missing right there. And then the screw over here, that one there is really, really loose. So it's just a matter of tightening the screw. And I was fortunate that the missing screw I found in the glove box. So we're just going to attach them and correct this problem. So this was a screw I found. And we're just going to put it in that hole there, like so. Got me a small screwdriver that'll fit. Yeah. All right, that one is secure. And we'll just tighten up this one here. That's secure. Make sure that's all right. Well, now the moment of truth. All right. Well, that problem has been solved.